Most casual fans would think that only the drivers are the key stakeholders, and if you ask them the question, who are the key stakeholders, they would name off various famous drivers from various series. Some might even mention this guy here, when in fact the key stakeholders are quite varied. Right here is just a list of all the various components required to put a car onto the track. That said, this list here contains a variety of key stakeholders also in the motorsport industry that really don't have to do a thing with the automobile. So we can see that this industry is quite broad, and it's more than just the actual construction of a vehicle. Much of the content for this particular lecture comes from a book called Motorsport Going Global: The Challenges Facing the World's Motorsport Industry. This particular graphic is from page 3 in the chapter titled The Global Motorsport Business, which highlights the key stakeholders in the motorsport industry. One of the challenges I have in designing these lectures is that there aren't a lot of textbooks available on the particular topic, motorsports. And so this is one of the only books out there that actually covers motorsport from very much an academic perspective and is very useful for this particular discussion. One of the drawbacks, however, of this particular book is that it focuses in on European or maybe more global racing series that we're not familiar with here in the United States. But nonetheless, it's still useful for explaining the different stakeholders, but also the relationships between those stakeholders, how they have these mutual beneficial relationships, how one benefits from the other. And so we're going to begin by identifying the core of motorsport, and that's the production of vehicles that then can be raced.